Good morning, student. Today our topic is to solve the numericals of part A. In this part we will solve the numericals related to the current, Ohm's law and resistivity. So I just explain the first numerical. See here in numerical, in a conductor 6.025 into 10 raised to power 16 electrons flow from its end B to A in 2 seconds. Find current flowing through the conductor. So here easily you can see that is given number of electrons 6.025 into 10 raised to power 16 electrons, time 2 seconds, charge is on one electron 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. So we are required to find out the current. Very simple formula, I is equal to Ne upon T. So we will substitute the value of N, E as well as T, solve it, and we will get the answer 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere, which you can write down in milliampere. Next question, same like this, a current of 1.6 milliampere through a conductor. If charge on an electron is negative sign, show the charge on electron. Negative charge 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Find number of electrons that will pass each second through the cross section of that conductor. Same way here current is given but given in milliampere. First we will convert it into ampere. Charge on one electron, that is stable one, constant one, 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Time is given 1 second, there is required N. We are using the same formula, I is equal to Ne upon T and N is equal to I into T upon E. So in this formula we will substitute the value, find out the value of N. So in such type of question there are 4 variables I, N, E, T. Out of this 4, 3 will be given and 1 is required. You can easily find out the 4th one. So next, related to the Ohm's law. Find potential difference required to flow of current of 200 milliampere in a wire of resistance 20 ohm. So here is given potential difference is required. Current is given 200 milliampere, but we are required SI unit. So we convert this milliampere into ampere by converting milliampere into ampere by multiplying with 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. Resistance is given, as you know, according to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Substitute the value and we can easily find out voltage 4 volt. Okay, so next question, again with the same way, the electric bulb draws current 1.2 ampere and here the electric bulb draws 1.2 ampere current of 6 volt. Find the resistance of filament of the bulb while glowing. So simple way, current is given, potential difference is given, we are required the resistance. So we are using the same formula, V is equal to IR and R is equal to V upon I. So we can easily find out R. So in this way, in these questions there are 3 variables, V, I and R. Out of these 3, 2 will be given and 1 we can easily find out using Ohm's law. Third type of question, 2 wires of same material, same length have radius 1 mm and 2 mm respectively. Compare number 1 their resistance, second their specific resistance. So case 1, resistance R1 is given 1 mm, but we are converting into meter by multiplying with 10 raised to power minus 3. Second case, radius 2 mm, again we will convert into meter. So area, remember that in this chapter where we are required the area, we always use the area of circle pi r square. So in this way we will find out here pi r1 square, here area pi r2 square. So you know radius depends upon 4 factors. One is the length, second is the material, third is the area of cross section, fourth is the temperature. As concerned to material is same, length is same. So 2 factor we can easily ignore. Temperature understood, that is same because that is not mentioned here. So wholly and solely your radius depends upon the area of cross section. So regarding this area of cross section, that resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So in this way we will apply this formula, R1 upon R2 is equal to A2 upon A1. Substitute the value and we will find out the resistance ratio 4:1. Second part, find out the resistivity. So resistivity rho 1 upon resistivity 2, because we are required the ratio. I straightway written there 1:1 because resistivity doesn't depend upon the area of cross section of the material. Resistivity depend upon temperature as well as material. Material is same, temperature is also same, so resistivity here 1:1. Next type of question, What length of copper wire of specific resistance is given, radius is given, is required, so that its resistance is 1 ohm. Length is given, resistivity given, radius given. With the help of the radius we can find out the area, but be careful, here radius is given in millimeter, you have to convert into meter. Find out the area. Radius resistance 1 ohm, there is required length, so we are using this formula, R is equal to rho into L upon A. So L is equal to R into A upon rho. Substitute the value and find out the answer. We can easily find out length 184.7 meter. Next type of question, very simple. See this, a given wire of resistance 1 ohm is stretched to double its length, what will be its new resistance? So that question is little bit twisting, try to understand. We can increase the length by stretching it by itself or simply double it. So when you will consider length is double itself, so you can connect one more length with this length, you can double it, means equal to this length you will connect with this, and we can take it is length is double. By stretching, we stretch is double, so we will find out what is the effect on its length as well as on area when we will stretch it. And third is by doubling itself. So we will consider these two difference using these two numericals. First come to by stretching it. First case I consider simple, just for this is one wire, I consider as a resistance is given 1 ohm, length I consider L, area of cross section A, resistivity rho. With the help of this I will find out the resistivity. Second case, when length is double, by stretching it we want to find out its resistance. So when you will stretch it, its length will be double to L, but area of cross section will be half, because when we will stretch any wire it will be thinner. Thinner means its area will be half. Resistivity remains same, because resistivity depends upon material and temperature. Here material and temperature is same. So we can easily find out, we can easily take the resistivity of the first case. So we will find out that the new resistance R dash is equal to rho into L dash upon A dash. Here new length 2L, area A by 2. Solve this, answer is 4 ohm. That means original resistance 1 ohm, and when you will stretch to double it, then its resistance will be 4 times. Now we'll see the difference when it's triple itself. A wire of resistance 9 ohm having length 30 cm is triple on itself, what is its new resistance? Same way, firstly we originally note down all the values. Resistance 9 ohm, length is taken 30 cm, area of cross section is not given, I just assume A. Resistivity rho, I will find out the resistivity with these variables. Rho is equal to R into A upon L. Resistance 9, area A, length 30. I can easily use this resistivity on this side, because resistivity is same as material and temperature will be same. Now come to the second case. We want to find out the resistance, new resistance. Length will be triple on itself. Triple on itself, first 2 and 3, means one wire we will triple on itself. When you will triple itself, means its length will be 1/3 and area will be 3 times. Length 1/3, area 3 times, and we will find out the resistivity we can take from this side, and we want to find out the new resistance, rho into new length upon new area. So new resistance is equal to same resistivity from the first case, new length 10 cm, new area 3A, triple A, and we will find out 1 ohm. Means your resistivity 9 ohm reduced to 1 ohm, means 1/9. So that is the difference. When you will by stretching double it, its resistance will be 4 times. Double to double means 4 times. Here when the resistance that wire is triple on itself, resistance will be 1/9. This is all about the first part numericals. I hope you will easily understand. Thank you. If still you have some problem, you can ask to me on my WhatsApp group.